viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to connect our Metamask wallet with APE token website. Yes, we have already added APE token on our Metamask, but today we are going to connect our Metamask with APE token. If you need to claim your airdrop or your token, let's suppose you have created any NFT, and then you can just check and you can easily connect your Metamask, and then you can easily get your free token. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information. I just giving to information how to connect your Metamask wallet. I have not any token number because I have not created any NFT on that, but you have created, then you can easily check and you can get your free token. So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you want to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if you want to get more information about cryptocurrency wallets, so you can visit my website cryptowalletsinfo.com. So first of all, I'm going to open CoinMarketCap because I need to find the official website of APE's token. Now you can see here Bitcoin price is almost $43,000. And if I going to check the rank of Apecoin, so you can see here Apecoin on 38 number, this time price is $13, 18%, 24 hour up, and 1000+% in 7 days up. So if you need to connect your Metamask wallet, so just simple click on this name, and then the new page open front of you where you can get the information about price, and also you can see here you can read the article from this page. This token launched on $20, but this time price is only $14. So if you need to connect your Metamask wallet with Apecoin, so just simple click on the official website apecoin.com. You must cross check before going to connect your Metamask wallet, apecoin.com. And if you need to connect your Metamask wallet, so you can use third option. First option about, second governance, and third option is claim. Simple click on claim, and then you need to connect your Metamask wallet before you can claim APE token. Okay, and verified smart contract address. We have already added contract address in our Metamask wallet, so I don't need to add again. If you have not added, so you just go to my YouTube channel, watch my video, which is I have told you how you can add your APE token in your Metamask wallet. And APE token are allocated per NFT or NFT pair, and you can check your token from this portion. Just paste here the wallet token ID. NFT claim check, enter the token ID to see if a board apes, patent apes, or Minion Kennel Club NFT is eligible for a one-time claim for a token. If you have your token ID, so you just simple paste here and click on check. So I have not this time, and you can also read note. Okay, this check are updating in real time as a token are claimed if you are purchasing a box app. You can read here for more information. So I'm going to connect my Metamask wallet. There is option is available, connect Metamask. So now my Metamask is open in front of me. Sorry, before going to connect my Metamask wallet, I need to select the Ethereum minute. I think I have selected in my last video. If not, then I will change. I have entered my password here and now going to click on unlock. So now we are going to check this time the network select Binance Smart Chain, so I need to change. So going to click on cancel. First I change the network, then I will connect my Metamask wallet. I have clicked on again Metamask wallet, then Ethereum mainnet. You can see here Ethereum mainnet is selected. Now going to click on connect Metamask wallet, and now again pop-ups open front of me. Now you can see here the Ethereum account is shown in front of me. I have not balance this time, but I'm giving to only this video information purpose. So click on next button. If you have not account in Ethereum, you just simply click on new account, and after that you can create. So if you not have information about how can you create account, so you go to my YouTube channel and watch video. In that video I told you how can you create account and how to save your phrases. So click on next. Now see address, account balance, activity and suggestions, transaction to approve. Okay, connect. Now as you can see here, I have successfully connect my Metamask wallet with Apecoin platform, and I have not any APE balance because not eligible token for fund in wallet. You need to own a Bored Ape, Multi-Ape, Null Club in order to claim APE. So I have not any balance. I already told you in start of this video. So if you have balance, then you can go to this website and connect your Metamask wallet, and then you can easily get free balance. So let's try if you have balance. So I just gave you information how you connect your Metamask wallet with Apecoin for claiming free token. Okay, so if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face any problem regarding this, so you can mail to me my email address on my same email address, cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I hope I will read your comments and I will resolve your problem. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Please also subscribe this. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com, where you can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin. And if you click on Altcoin, you can see here I have already made many videos about many cryptocurrency wallets. Just simple go to the Google, type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you, where you can get the all information about cryptocurrency wallets. So let's meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.